What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you Firebase Studio versus Windsurf compared. Which one is better for you? So in this case, if you're looking for a way to know which one is better for you, either Windsurf or Firebase Studio, well, there are a few things here that you may need to know before deciding which one is which for you. So first, let's go and start with Windsurf. Now, Windsurf is more of a developer-focused AI assistant that lives right inside your code editor. Now, it's built to help you stay in the flow. Whether you're writing, debugging, or refactoring code, you know those, in this case, those moments where you are stuck in rewriting functions or checking docs constantly. Now, Windsurf tries to eliminate that with features like Super Complete, which gives you really smart code suggestions, inline AI to help you fix or refactor on the fly, and even an AI terminal that lets you execute commands intelligently. Now you can use Windsurf as a standalone editor or install it as a plug-in inside something like a VS Code. That makes it super flexible if you already have a dev environment you're comfortable in. Now it's great if if you work with multiple languages or you're part of a dev team that wants to onboard faster, reduce that bugs here, and even keep code clean without slowing anyone down. So basically, if you're a hands-on coder and want smarter tools right where you're already working, Windsurf just makes it make sense here. Now, on the flip side here, we have Firebase Studio. Now, Firebase Studio here, which is kind of like a visual builder version of the Firebase ecosystem. Now, if you've ever wanted to describe an app and have AI just generate the front end and back end for you, then this is it. Now, Firebase Studio is tightly integrated with Google Cloud and Firebase. Now, it's meant for building full stack web or mobile apps quickly. It uses Gemini AI to help you generate code from natural language, debug it, and even deploy the app itself, all in browser-based interface. Now, honestly, it's built for people who are either already using Firebase or planning to, and you get this all-in-one experience, prototyping, coding, deploying, even without ever needing to jump between tools or services. So if you're already speed and you want everything to work natively with Firebase and Google's ecosystem, Firebase Studio is kind of a no-brainer here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Now, it really comes down to your goals here. So, need an AI co-pilot for your coding tasks, then Windsurf is better. But if you want a full stack app builder that lives in the cloud, well, Firebase Studio is going to be a lot better here. But yeah, in this case, that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.